Greetings my friends, welcome back to Geelong, where I am at Popcultcha, which is an amazing gallery and store of everything awesome. And we're going to go and have a look and see if we can find some really cool action figures and stuff like that from all the movies, music and whatever that we love. This place is incredible. Let's go. God damn, these look awesome. I want these so bad. The artwork is incredible. Oh my God. And they've got all three. Oh, this is so cool. I am really tempted to get these. Oh, this is unreal. AC/DC. Misfits, Sam Hain, Danzig, war figures, what? No way. Oh, these are incredible. Is it Odorous? M.A.S.K. These are incredible. I feel they really do need to make they need to make an Odorous figure. These are on special. Kylie Minogue, Ghost. These Misfits bus. Oh my God. This bums me out. Why do they not have Lombardo? That's unfair. That's not fair. You can't do that. Oh, that is sick. Love this artwork too. Merciful Fate, and look, they've got a Abigail figure. Oh, so cool. Who else we got here? Devo, White Stripes, Motorhead's War Pig, Motley Crue. These actually look really cool. Like, the packaging is really good. Misfits. Oh, that's cool. That D. Snyder is unreal. Oh, there's the Ramones. Misfits there. Bon Scott. Oh, wow. That's cool. That's really cool. God damn, I love this. I've got no use for it, but I love it. It's so cool. That is awesome. Run TMC. I wonder what that looks like. That's really cool.
Oh, hi, I'm Troy McClure. You might remember me from such self-help videos as Smoke Yourself Thin and Get Confident, stupid.
Love it. Kong, but not the Kong we're looking for. This is my favourite era of the show, is the original Batman TV show. We got... That's cool. Very cool. Batman 66. Super Friends. I never got into the Dark Knight stuff. Oh my God, what is this Scooby-Doo thing? Oh my God. Oh wow. Oh, that is unreal. That is so damn cool. Just have a look at this. This is unreal. God. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, that is so cool. Need ET? There you are. R2-D2. These are cool. Master of the Universe stuff. Love it. Some wrestling stuff. Black Sabbath. So good. Got these amazing figures of Kiss. Oh, Cliff Burton. More Kiss. Oh, look at this Misfits one of Jerry. That's pretty damn cool too. The Fiend. Oh, these are amazing. I like these. Didn't know Izzy Stradlin though. Always look up. That is sick. That is cool. Oh, that Randy Rhoads is unreal. Iron Maiden, Fear of the Dark. That's incredible. Cool Ozzy Osbourne there. King Diamond. Oh, that Leprosy of Death. That is awesome. BTS if you're into your K-pop. Again with the Slayer and no Dave Lombardo. That's really, really disappointing. Really disappointing. We got the Scorpions. And then these Rolling Stones. This gallery is amazing. Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Wow. Oh, these toony terrors. You got the Fiend there. You got Wednesday. Red Sonja, Terrifier. There are so many things here to see. This thing. House of 1,000 Corpses. Oh, you're kidding me. No way. Did they reissue these? I have an original of this, but I don't have a box with it. Oh, this is unreal. I did not know they reissued these. These are easily my favorite toys from the 80s. These are incredible. Oh my God, these are my favorite 80s toys. I can't believe they've reissued them. I had no idea about this. Okay, so I grew up watching M.A.S.K, and I cannot believe they have reissued these toys. This is pretty damn cool. I'm really excited about this. I wonder if they've done all of them and these are just the ones that are in stock at the moment, or if there's more coming. But I'm pretty damn happy about that. Look at all these horror figures and stuff. This is cool. Evil Dead, Terminator. Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. Oh my God. That is unreal. That is so cool. Christmas Elvira, Jaws. That's awesome. I mean, this is cool, but this is even better. Wow, that is unreal. Yeah, that's really, really cool. Love the packaging in this. That is unreal. So is this.
You have to go to that?
Always look up. Always look up, my friends. Look at that Randy Savage. That is unreal. And then you got Undertaker there on the end, but the Savage is where it's at. Very cool. That is unreal. We're gonna need a bigger boat. These Godzilla bags are awesome. Love the artwork on those. Very, very cool. No Kong bags. Ah, but there is a Muppets. This is really cool. I like this. I have so much random skateboarding stuff. This is just really, really cool. Nice. That's cool. Now that is awesome. I love that. That is so cool. Oh my God. Got a whole collection here as well. Well, there we go. Kiss bauble set for your Christmas tree. This place has got everything. Check it out, they got Voltron. Chainsaw Man, look at that, that is sick. Inspector Gadget. Oh, that is awesome. I love that. Yeah, that is awesome too. Love that. This place is wild. Look, I know I'm a punk rock and heavy metal, rock and roll, whatever, but I'm a nerd at heart, and this stuff just blows my mind. I love it all. Huge fan of pop culture stuff. Look at this Frankenstein. This is really cool. I love this. Oh, and the mummy. The werewolf and Dracula. These are really cool. And of course the Mutant Ninja Turtles. Just really, really cool stuff. Look at all these. Lord of the Rings. The Hobbit. Well, my friends, that is going to do it for my trip to Pop Culture here in Geelong. This place is awesome. And if you are looking for any of that stuff, they've got a website you can jump on. No, they haven't paid me to do this. In fact, they didn't even realize I was doing any of this, and they still don't to this day. But I went in, they gave me something there if I want to get some stuff, because they did have a couple of things in there that I actually wanted that's on their website, but they're actually not on sale in the store, so I have to order them through the website. But anyway, it's really, really cool to know that this shop exists. So if you are into this kind of stuff, you can just come here and check it all out in person rather than just buying it online, which, you know, like if you want to look at it and see what it looks like up close, you can come here and do so. This store is jam-packed with amazing stuff, and I highly recommend, if you're in Geelong, that you come down and check it out. Well, thank you so much for watching this episode of the Long Gone Loser Rock Show. Please take care of yourselves, look after each other, and yeah, come to Geelong. Geelong's a good time, man. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.